How to fix CFGMGR32.dll missing or not found error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Install all Windows updates. Keeping your Windows OS up to date is crucial as updates often contain patches for system file issues and can replace problematic files, such as the CFGMGR32.dll. The updates ensure your system operates optimally and safeguards against errors and vulnerabilities. System File Checker, SFC, and Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM, are Windows built-in tools that can repair corrupted or missing system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, if all else fails, a repair installation of Windows might be your best bet. It will replace all critical system files without deleting your personal files or installed applications. If that didn't work, System Restore can take your system back to a point in time when everything was working fine and CFGMGR32.dll wasn't missing or causing errors. Pick the time before the problem occurred and click Next. Follow the prompts to finish the process.